Hi Tekla users, welcome to Tekla Tool and Tips video. In this video, I will show you one of the advanced options which can save the modeler to do some kind of mistakes during changing the profiles or something else. Here I have placed the separation beam in three groups. One in between the grid 1 and 2. Second group is between the grid 2 and 3, and third group is between the grade 3 and 4. Okay, the difference in these three groups is the profile of this is W6 into 9 and having no galvanization in the finish. Okay, here in the second group the profile is W12 into 26 and also the class is different. And here in the third group profile is W14 into 120 and also it's containing finish as galvanized. Okay, but sometimes it happens that the client asks to change the profiles. That time people select all the profiles which need to change. Press Alt Enter on the keyboard and go to the profile section only and change. Suppose we want to change it W4 into 13. Okay, so they will go in this way and just will change the profile and simply will modify it. Okay, this kind of activities happen sometimes if our focus is not there. But what happenings by doing such kind of changes? See, the galvanizations has been removed. This should not be done. Okay. Also, the class has been changed. Okay. So manually we avoid this kind of things by doing some focus, like if I'm doing the control Z, what should the modeler do? They will select all the group and press Alt Enter. Firstly, they will uncheck all the things and select only profiles and change it W40. So profile has been changed in all the groups. Also, they didn't lose the galvanization, and in the second group they didn't lose the class separations also. This is the matter of the focusing. We can avoid this kind of things by doing the another method. Okay, that is the advanced options. For that we will go to the model folder. Okay, and go to the option.ini file. Here I need to add this access underscore dialog underscore enable underscore state is equals to false. This advanced options will uncheck all the checkboxes. So let's save it in the model folder, close the Tekla and delete all the XML file. If environmental file is there, we need to delete that file also, and we will reopen our Tekla model. So here the model has been opened. Okay, what the changes we are seeing by changing the advanced options, let's check. If I'm double clicking, the property box is coming, and here you can see this checkboxes is already unchecked. So let's repeat that thing. I'm selecting all the groups and open the dialog box by pressing Alt Enter, and I am changing the profile W4 into 13 and just modify. You can see all the profiles has been changed to W4 into 13, and also we didn't lose our class and our galvanization in third row. So by adding this or advanced options, we don't need to focus that if we uncheck all the boxes, then we are going to change the profile. This kind of things we don't need to focus. Tekla will take care those things by their own. So you can also add this advanced option in your option.ini file inside your model folder. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.